Working today on a 2008 Toyota Sienna. This is my daughter's minivan. Has 228,000 miles and just had a cylinder 4 misfire. Based on ChatGPT, AI is a wonderful assistant. Validate though. Cylinder 4, so cylinder 2, cylinder 4, cylinder 6, and the other 3, the engines mounted sideways, are much harder to get to. So I removed the oil cap and the beauty cover to get to the coils. So we're gonna take this coil off and replace with that brand new one and a spark plug. Size 10 bolt or socket to remove the bolt there for the ignition coil number 4. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, that's loose. Next thing we need to do is disconnect the ignition coil cable. Removing the ignition coil cable is very easy. Just press this button here, wiggle it off. You're all set. Now we can take the coil out. All right, there's the coil out. Next thing we got to do is get the spark plug out. All right, to get the spark plug out, either a 5/8 or 16 millimeter, and I've got a double extension to get down there so I don't come anywhere close to those cables. So I'm going to set the phone down and loosen the spark plug out. All right, I got some long needle nose pliers and was able to get down there. If you've got a magnetized socket or a boot that uses spark plugs, that'll pull it right out. But here's the old spark plug, and I already have a new one in there that I'm going to go ahead and put in there, and we'll reverse the procedure. All right, before we put the new spark plug in, the recommended spark plug gap is 0.055, and so I've got a spark plug gap tool. Let's walk through how to use that real quick. So on the spark plug gap, what you want to do is you want to measure the distance between the top and the needle. So we'll start at the shallowest setting and then we'll slide it around until it stops. So right now this is at a 0.38. So we're going to wiggle it a little bit to widen it up a little. We're going to start over until we can continue to move it further. We're at 0.4. Okay, with a little wiggling, I've managed to get it out now to 0.55, or very close. All right, now that we've got the spark plug gap correctly done, we're going to put it back down in there and get it tightened back up. We're going to do hand tighten, and then we'll be ready to put the ignition coil back on. All right, spark plug is in. If you can see that, it's kind of dark. Now that the spark plug's in, I got the new ignition coil. We're just going to slide it down in there. Make sure it's firmly seated. And make sure it's aligned with the bolt there as well. Let's go ahead and plug the cable back on, and let's secure it with the nut. Okay, ignition coils reattach, nice and snug. There's no give. Next thing we gotta do is jump in the van and restart. Let's see if we see any or hear any issues with the engine. All right, starting it up for the first time. All right, So far, I don't see the check engine light that was over there. We do have a bad tire pressure sensor, so you can ignore that. And it looks like that alarm cleared. Give it a engine, and idle is pretty stable. So let's do a test drive, make sure everything's okay. All right, test drive successful. You may have to clear the code with your ODB tool, but for the most part, no more sluggish. Van's responsive, so all set. Anyway, simplest repair on a 2008 Toyota Sienna. Anyways, good luck with your car.